This is probably something that's easier to show you than to write about. I've got a Moodle course and I want to do some marking. So what would normally happen is I go to my course by navigating to it here, and I have some scripts which have been uploaded by students, and they're in the upload section as normal assignment. This is all absolutely normal and this is working absolutely fine. So I view to grade all submissions, and what should happen is that if I click that, it says grade Benjamin Taplin. So I'm going to click it, but what happens is it takes me back to the home page. This is not the correct action. Now this is on a Moodle system of 2.9.2. So what I did, in order to check it out, I created a new installation on a version of Moodle that I previously know was working with the proper grading behaviour. And I've used a version which is 2.7.10.10. So okay, so I've now got my new Moodle installation, which is this, just a test. I go back to test for marking, which is an upload test. I've uploaded by being a student for a little minute, and I go and view and grade my submissions. I click grade, there's my submission there, so that's all working. Grade. And not only does it take me back to the home page, but it takes me back to the wrong home page. This is the home page for Moodle, not for the one which has been newly created for submissions. When I click something, I'm getting supposedly the right command, I would imagine. And here you see that it's issuing a PHP command, but I see row number 0. Action equals grade. I'm not sure what's happening. So I don't know whether you have any ideas about what's happening with this. This is what should be happening. I found a YouTube video with somebody instructing people how to do grading in Moodle using the proper system. It's 2.9. It's a fairly recent video. It's August, I think, yeah, August the 30th, which it was recorded on. So really current system. The guy's using Office 2016 even, so it's very current. So what should happen is that when you click the grade, this is the screen that should be displayed, not the jumping back to the home page.
Post the grade, so we post here 17 out of 20, notice, and then you also can post some additional.
You can see what's happening here. The tutor is allowed to put comments in here, and if we jump forward a little bit in this, there's even a facility where you can upload files for feedback, and that's exactly what I want to do. I should be able to upload the feedback files, the corrected work, the marked work with comments, into the Moodle's system so that the student gets a feedback file. So that's what should happen, but clearly isn't. So I'm not sure why my 2.9 isn't behaving in the same way as this person, as Sally Caselli's Moodle is working. So that's the way it should behave.